Scrumptious. It's gonna look a little bit better by the end of the day. You already know what's happening. Oh man, I forgot we got a Tomei. I'm gonna have to give you guys that cold start. Damn. I'm getting old, bro. I'm struggling to get out of the DMZ. Let me hit you guys with some light real quick. Ooh. Damn. Get the idea. Damn. Broke my neck. Very nice, very nice. Oil pressure is good. Car's already warming up. It hit about 115 on the cold start. We good so far. No leaks. Everything is working great. Alright, it was part of the deal. I had to sign his dash since he sold me his Tomei. Well, this guy already bought another Tomei. The Tomei's not even gonna last for a day. I'm about to devalue his car right now. I don't have a signature. Damn. Resale value went up. And down at the same time. Damn, must be nice to be boosted. Must be nice. Must be nice. Later. Tomeis are everywhere. Already came up. It's about to go on the vet too. Damn, that fitment though. Alright guys, she's about to get that young makeover. There it is. Pretty much all my carbon. I normally go VIS. I had Saipan stuff in the past, but I normally don't really get their stuff anymore. It's been VIS for a cool while now. Their stuff fits pretty decent, so let's get it. Let's see how this is gonna turn out. Oh, yup. Damn. Still need to throw some wax on this, but oh, it looks so good. The contrast. She needed that. Man, look at that turbo. Finally, guys, we got a Tomei and a carbon hood. The car is finally kicksified. Kicks approved. It looks sick. Can't wait to see it in the daytime. Oh. Try to get some little sound clips of the homie Baba Yusuf. He's running a custom rear mount single turbo. Pretty sick. Making around 500 stock motor. Very nice. Damn, I miss my Z, bro. Well, I'm in my Z, but I miss my turbo one. Mood. I can't wait to bring that thing back. I miss boost, man. Nothing like a boosted HR. That is nice. It's the sound of nice. Yes, you got to love the cold tires. You go spinny spin. Forgot to tell you guys that I installed a turbo last night. We should be able to completely have the motor assembled, I would say, within 3 weeks. It really just depends on the parts. There's a couple things that are back ordered, so hopefully they can come within the next few weeks. But yeah, I would say like a month or so, the Z motor will be ready. But don't forget, we still have to do the custom single turbo kit. So yeah, it's coming, one thing at a time. Yo, look, just cruising right here, PCH. We got an Evo. This guy spotted me. The whole car full of them. That's just clean too. Nice Evo. I'm weak. We mobbing though, man. Just took a late night drive, PCH. You know, my car's running good now. We got oil pressure. Damn, dog. I know you got downpipes, fucker. I can smell that 91, fool. Yeah. Oh, we got crackles. We crackle boys. I'm literally like over an hour away from home, just randomly driving. I just rented a car, people that know me, man, like showing me hella love. That's just great. So, yeah, we just out here for a nice little drive, man. Enjoying my Tomei and my carbon hood. Listen to that Tomei, man. It sounds so good. Gotta love HRs. All right, now we got a little bit of light so you guys get a better idea how it's looking. Clean. Probably could move it over like 2 or 3 millimeters. Make sure it like evenly fits, but that fits pretty good. Very nice. That's that, guys. So, I mean, what you're seeing is pretty much the vision. You know, lowered Meisters, carbon hood. Wanted like a candy red color for it. I am gonna be tinting the rear tails, just like a slight tint, so it's not so much red. I've never been really like a big fan of red cars and red lights. So yeah, we're gonna do a slight tint on that. I got my Tomei on here now. Happy boys, the thing sounds great. It looks kind of gold, so you know, kind of flows with the wheels. So as of right now, the only thing that I really need to do to the car, I still need to paint the calipers. I'm gonna go with like I'm gonna pretty much go with the goldish color to match the hardware on the Meisters. Yeah. We're going full like Iron Man setup. I like the color scheme, it looks sick. I don't even know if I told you guys, but we did end up getting the window replaced. That's all fresh. Yeah, man, brought this car back to life. It wasn't like too bad when I bought it, but now it's damn near like mint, you know? Now it is fresh kicksified. So I'm happy with it, man. Car drives great now after the gallery gasket. I do need to do the spark plugs and yeah, a few other little things here and there. But for the majority of it, the car is honestly pretty much done. I don't really have any other big plans for it until the other cars are finished. Once the other cars are finished, then eventually I am going to probably do a turbo setup on this, but not until all 3 of the other cars are actually running. Clean stance, looks nice. It's a little bit unique. Obviously when it comes to 350Zs, you can't do too much to them because there's so many Zs out there to make it different without just doing some obnoxious shit and making it look retarded. But I've always been a fan of simple, clean, OEM plus look. That's always what I go for every time. You guys know this, you should know me by now. I get all the comments, all the little kids, bro, why body your car? Like, no, I'm not cutting my car. Like, I'm not doing that shit. So, appreciate you guys for tuning in, man. Stay tuned. We got hella content coming. Catch you guys in the next video.